Qingdao Eterlift Machinery Company Limited is a large, diversified industrial manufacturer with decades of specialized production and worldwide export experience. We integrate independent research and design, intelligent manufacturing, e-commerce, and modern logistics, focusing on delivering dependable one-stop industrial solutions for global clients. Our factory features a standardized production base spanning 1,300 square meters, building solid credibility and outstanding influence across the lifting platform and material handling industry. As a leading enterprise in this sector, our full product range includes boom lifts, scissor lifts, lifting platforms, residential home elevators, and electric stackers. Our factory holds two self-owned global brands, Eterlift and Daylift. We supply premium standardized equipment alongside professional custom OEM and ODM services. Our clients cover world-famous equipment rental enterprises, construction groups, and international trading corporations. All products have acquired official EU certifications. Backed by a professional technical team and a seasoned international sales workforce, Eterlift Machinery has built stable, long-term cooperative relationships across 169 countries and regions. Our key markets include Spain, France, Germany, Poland, the Netherlands, Belgium, Sweden, Australia, Russia, Brazil, the United States, and Canada. Upholding the core value of integrity and the constant pursuit of excellence, Qingdao Eterlift has won high recognition and reliable trust from industry counterparts and global partners.